To turn on always on display on a Samsung Galaxy A26 5G, you can only do this by using external application because as default, this function is not available on this device. So start by opening Google Play Store and search for this application AOA Always on Display. Once you download it, just click on the open button, click Let's Go, and basically accept all of those permissions. So here, click on the switcher of AOA application, go back, and do the same for notifications, and just follow like so. In this place, you can also find some options that you can actually customize. So now let's try if it works. There we go. As you can see, the always on display appears right here. And for sure, you can change, for example, the brightness of it or the style of the clock. Here you can find everything to customize it up to your preferences.